Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the input signal plus and use it in your Samsung smart monitor. At first go to the left to the control panel and now scroll down to the settings. Go to all settings here and now scroll all the way down to the General and Privacy. Here scroll to the External Device Manager, and here in the second option you will see is Input Signal Plus. Click that. As you can see, it expands the input signal range for external device connections. Extend for HDR input. Here they have HDMI or USB-C, and we can, as you can see, easily manage both options. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.